i35equipment.com. Today we're checking out the John Deere 210G LC hydraulic track excavator. It's a real nice machine. It does have a lot of great digging power. Be a good machine to have on the job site or out working on the farm pulling some trees. It does have the hydraulic thumb installed and ready to go to work pulling those trees, loading boulders or pipes, sorting scrap, or doing demolition. This machine does have the hand to safety rails, the travel alarm, cold working air conditioning. We welcome you to come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator so you can have a qualified opinion on it. We're open by appointment only though, so just give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country. To get it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with their full delivery address. We'll share that address, several local haulers, and a nationwide broker. Get back with the best hauling rate that comes back to us. Do welcome you to range for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on the website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We can help you get your machinery sold. We do have folks all over the country looking at the website, looking for good, ready to work machinery. Working horn, you see, for a machine of its size, it has a really good travel to it. Some bigger machines and large size excavators, they just don't turn very well. This one seems to be turning really well. Good power, everything. He's going to show you one of the main benefits of having a hydraulic thumb. You can adjust it on the fly, so you can go up here and grab some concrete against it. Great for pinching. Then you can load it, sort it, sift it, whatever you need to do. If you're in our local area, we do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. Just give us a call, we'll show you where to dump, open the gates for you. Please no grass, trash, or trees. That is a well-built CP bucket with 4 teeth. That bucket's not quite doing it for you. We do have other buckets available in a variety of sizes. See our full inventory of buckets online at www.i35equipment.com. Alright, we're going to let him park it. We'll check out everything outside, and then we'll hop in the operator station last, take a look around in there. Well-built bucket though, and this thumb has 4 serrated teeth, fingers, tines, however you want to refer to them. Allows you to get a good grapple on whatever you're picking up. Looks like a real clean machine, nice and dry. We did have rain out here a night or two ago, but I'm not really seeing any moisture. Glass looks good on the cab. No digital flow bar. Turn dry the way you want it to. hire someone once they come to you so you can get a full inspection on it if you like. No matter who's in the operator seat, they can feel it right at home. All right. Go ahead and zoom out to the fisheye lens so I can give you a good view of the interior. May distort just a little bit. You'll be able to see everything in here real nice. Factory John Deere suspension seat. Does have John Deere operator's manual along with the safety manual in the bag there. Move the seat back a little bigger. Good view of all the buttons here. Patterns. Your switches. Let's check this radio. That's the only thing I'm not sure if it wasn't in. Tune it. Working radio. The rear view camera's there and going. No codes, no lights. 82.5 hours as of this moment. Cold working air conditioning. Hope this video has been beneficial to you. We do look forward to having you out so we can show you the machine. Just give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Hope you have a wonderful day.